the way we run our factories right now, so like I mentioned this earlier, like the way we run our factories right now, you can almost think of it is a car with maybe like assistive driving, where you still need a person to like drive the actual car. And what we are doing is going from that assisted driving that is currently what process manufacturing, I'd say largely is an analogy that can largely fits in, into fundamentally a self-driving vehicle. And so that is like a fundamental shift in terms of how manufacturing is done. And so that in itself is like the vision of what we're creating, especially with physical AI being, people are talking, or like it's something that now like people are talking about a lot, but it's like oftentimes you think physical AI is in like robotics, but like what does physical AI look for process manufacturing? And what we are doing is what physical AI is, like physical AI in process manufacturing. In real life, in mission critical environments that operate, again, high reliability, high accuracy, and high ruggedness every single second, and we're deployed in every continent in the world. And so, this is something that like fundamentally is 100%, like a moonshot of like, we're creating now this like autonomous driving, but not autonomous manufacturing.